It is important to remember that sexuality is complex, and while stereotypes are often misleading, noticing certain behaviors may make it easier to start a sensitive conversation with your boyfriend about his orientation. Potential indicators that he might be interested in men, or perhaps is bisexual or pansexual, include being withdrawn or secretive, a noticeable decline in physical intimacy, or expressing frequent male-only sexual fantasies. Other signs may involve his public behavior, such as openly checking out other men, excessively complimenting or touching male friends, or surrounding himself with gay companions. Furthermore, indications like finding evidence of gay pornography, acting homophobically, which can suggest internalized homophobia, or being in a straight relationship to conceal his identity from family are also possibilities. If you decide to approach the subject, it is best to ask gently about his interest in men, rather than making assumptions about his specific identity.